Hey, Sawadee Cup YouTube. Welcome to my channel. Hope you guys have a good day. Today we are back to here in Chinatown, exploring the Chinatown Night Market. It's gonna be a quick video, just getting a quick glance of the Chinatown Night Market street food booth and restaurants quick. And today is a really cloudy and humid day, mid May time 2025 here in Bangkok, Thailand. And I'm here taking a walk at one of the main streets. Not sure which way this street is leading to, but definitely I can tell like lots of business they just started. And yeah, from the maps I have, it says this is the night market of Chinatown. And see those grilled squid and steamed siu mai, Saudi cup, and that's the Manila clam, something like that. I don't know. I don't remember the actual name, but yeah, the seafood booth. That's the, I assume that's marinated food. Okay. Another dim sum food. More businesses. A lot of street food. Hey, so many people gathering around in this area. Okay. Aha, here we go. That's the main entrance of the Chinatown in Bangkok. And I assume that's exactly where the night market is. Since it's a little bit late for my next appointment, so I'm gonna come back again to visit the night market next time. Okay. another alleyway. I believe I have been to this alleyway before, and if I was correct, this alleyway is more focusing on food. Since right now is slightly late, so I don't think there's much more to explore. Okay, I was in the wrong street. I got to take the, the other street next to this one, the main road. Since that one will be brighter than this one. Okay. So basically in this area, if you want to find the most treasure, you got to dig into the deepest alleyways to find those local stuff. Lots of people, so crowded. Okay, more business. That's a lot. Here we go, tons of visitors, tourists. And I believe this is the right way I'm supposed to take. Yes, it's called Bangkok Road. Now I remember. So in this area I was here back to pre-COVID in 2019. Maybe not. It has been quite a while since when I was here, and yeah, don't remember too much details, but hey, another temple. Another temple. I'm not sure what kind of temple this one is. Over there I can see some signs. Looks more like a Hindi temple, I assume. Hey, one more temple to explore. This is definitely the Chinese Guanyin temple. Yes, I was correct. I'm here a little bit late. But yeah, definitely will come back here to check it out again. Hopefully I can find more stuff. basically the impression Chinatown gave me is that this is the super prosperous area where I see tons of local people come here to do shoppings. Also tourists, they are here as well. Tons of businesses and okay. Bubble tea. Wow, Chinatown is just amazing. Thank you. Yeah, the drivers here in Bangkok, they are nice enough. As long as when you try to approach to the street, go across in the street, they will always like you and let you go first. Just now that motorcycle driver, he just waved at me and let me go across the street first. That's nice enough. And hey, look at this. Another temple, I assume. It says Dragon Lotus. Yes, Dragon Lotus temple. Not sure if it is closed yet, but yeah, I might as well just take a quick peek from the door to see if I can buy anything. Hey, yes. Oh, it's closed already? Okay, thank you. ขอบคุณครับ Okay, unfortunately I got kicked out. And here it says Yaowarat Road Business Center. So basically another commercial area. Probably not that busy at the moment, but yeah. That's about it. So unfortunately I got to this area a little bit too late today, but yeah, I will come back again to do another tour to explore to the deepest area of the Chinatown alleyways and show you guys the best video. If you enjoy this video, please consider like and subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of the new videos, and I will see you guys next time. Cheers.